Have you ever gazed at the night sky and wondered what lies beyond those twinkling stars? If so, you're not alone. Humanity has been pondering the universe for millennia, and now, thanks to the marvels of modern technology, we have tools to help us visualize the unimaginable vastness of the cosmos. One such tool is Galaxy Visualization software, a gateway to understanding our place in the universe. Today, we'll dive into the fascinating world of Galaxy Visualization using specialized software. Galaxy Visualization software is an astronomer's best friend, allowing us to visualize the cosmos right from our computer screens. It's a tool that brings the distant reaches of the universe to our fingertips, making the exploration of space more accessible than ever before. This software is a marvel of modern technology, powered by advanced algorithms and extensive databases of astronomical data. It's designed to create accurate and detailed simulations of galaxies, stars, and other celestial bodies, providing us a comprehensive view of the cosmos. The beauty of this software lies in its features. It allows us to zoom in and out of galaxies, observe celestial bodies in motion, and even manipulate time to see how the universe evolves. It's like having a spaceship that can traverse the cosmos at the speed of light, all without leaving the comfort of our homes. But it's not just about visual spectacle. Galaxy Visualization software plays a crucial role in space exploration. It helps astronomers study the formation and evolution of galaxies, track the movement of stars, and investigate the mysteries of dark matter. It's a vital tool for understanding the universe and our place within it. The software's realistic representations of galaxies are not mere images, but are based on actual data from telescopes and space probes. They're a reflection of the universe as it is, not as we imagine it to be. Now, you are ready to embark on your journey through the cosmos. Navigating the software is as easy as pie once you get the hang of it. You'll soon be navigating through the cosmos like a seasoned astronaut. First off, let's start with the basics. The software interface is divided into several sections, each with its unique purpose. On the left, you'll find the navigation panel, your main tool for traversing the vast universe. It's where you can input coordinates, select galaxies or celestial bodies, and even set your course to autopilot. Next, in the center of your screen is the visualization area. This is your cosmic canvas where all the magic happens. It's where you'll see the universe come to life with galaxies, stars, planets, and more, all in stunning detail. Now let's talk about the tools and options you have at your disposal. At the top of your screen, you'll find a toolbar. This contains various tools for manipulating your view of the universe. You can zoom in to see the details of a galaxy, zoom out to get a broader view, or rotate your perspective for a different angle. Additionally, there's the search function. This is a handy tool when you're looking for a specific celestial body. Just type in the name and the software will take you there in a flash. On the right side of the interface, you'll find the settings panel. Here, you can customize your experience. You can adjust the level of detail, change the color scheme, or even turn on features like constellation lines or grid lines for better orientation. Don't forget to make use of the help option, typically represented by a question mark icon. It's a comprehensive guide that answers most questions you might have about the software and its functions. Remember, the software is designed to be intuitive, so feel free to experiment and explore. Click around, try different tools, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. It's all part of the learning process. With these navigation skills, you can now explore the universe with ease. So buckle up and let's set course for the stars. Ready to create your first galaxy visualization? It's time to put your newfound knowledge to the test. Let's jump right in. Creating a galaxy visualization is quite an exciting endeavor. It's like painting a picture of the universe, except your canvas is a computer screen and your brushes are data parameters. Let's start with choosing the right galaxy parameters. This is the foundation of your visualization and the key to creating a realistic and insightful depiction of a galaxy. Most galaxy visualization software will offer a range of parameters to choose from, including galaxy type, star density, and even color patterns. Remember, no two galaxies are the same, and these parameters will help you capture that uniqueness. Try experimenting with different combinations until you find one that resonates with your vision of the cosmos. Next, we move on to viewing angles. This is where you decide your perspective in the universe. Do you want to see the galaxy from a distance, or do you prefer a close-up view of its swirling arms? Maybe you want a bird's-eye view, or perhaps an edge-on perspective. The choice is yours. Adjust the viewing angles until you achieve the desired viewpoint. Finally, it's time to add your personal touch to the visualization. This is your opportunity to modify the visualization based on your preferences. Maybe you want to highlight certain features of the galaxy or use specific color schemes. Feel free to play around with the settings until you're satisfied with the outcome. Remember, this is your galaxy, and it should reflect your unique perspective. Creating a galaxy visualization is part art, part science, and a whole lot of fun. It's a process of exploration, discovery, and creativity. It's about seeing the universe in a new way and sharing that vision with the world. Congratulations! You have successfully created your first galaxy visualization. As we wrap up, remember that the universe is vast and filled with mysteries waiting to be uncovered. We've journeyed from understanding the Galaxy Visualization software to creating our first galaxy visualization. These tools unlock a world of cosmic exploration right at our fingertips. They offer a glimpse into the vastness of the universe, its intricate structures, and the celestial beauty it holds. With the Galaxy Visualization software at your disposal, you are now ready to explore the cosmos. So what are you waiting for? Start exploring!